For my third and final clown's makeup of this week, I thought let's make a creepy clown, and that is this one. So to create this I used Sculpt Gel by Mold Life, the polymorph plastic to create the teeth, and basic face paints by Maron. So if you want to know how I have created it, please keep watching because I will show you step by step in the coming video. And if you don't want to miss any of the videos we upload to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna start out with making my teeth black. I have the Brutal Tooth palette by Dashboat to do this with. And a friend recently asked me on a different video I did this in, why start out with coloring your teeth? Well, that is basically because I can reach them very easily at this point. And once all the makeup is on, I think it will be more difficult. So that is why I start with making my teeth black and not end with making them black. Before I can put the makeup on my teeth, I need to dry them. So that is what I'm doing with a little pad like this one. And I'm also going to make my lips and the skin around my lips black. And that is something I'm doing with a Paradise paint by Maron. Onto the teeth, I have created some using polymorph plastic or modeling plastic. We have that at our store. It's very easy to work with. You just put it in boiled water and you can mold it in any shape you would like. So I just rolled little spikes of it. That will be the teeth for my clown makeup today. I'm going to put these in Sculpt Gel, so I'm going to mix up a batch and just apply the teeth. If you are new to Sculpt Gel and want to know way more about it, then I'm going to show you in this video. I have a separate video on how to work with Sculpt Gel and everything you should know about it. I will put a link to that video in the description box down below. I am going to do the bottom lip first. So I'll just apply a layer of Sculpt Gel. And we are going to do exactly the same on the upper lip. While the Sculpt Gel is drying, I'm quickly going to block my eyebrows, and I'm going to do this with the wax by Benai. A bit of the color set powder by Maron to powder the wax and the Sculpt Gel. Time to get some color on the face. I'm going to use white by Maron Paradise to make everything white. Now I made a clown's nose out of a Dauber sponge. So I just cut it off until I have the clown's nose. And I'm going to glue this on my skin using Pearlsade. Onto a red face paint, also by Maron, to make the clown's mouth and one of the eyes. And dark pink for the eyes as well. The grey star blend by Maron. I now have a toothbrush and on it is a bit of the red face paint. And the same thing with the pink face paint as well. And the black as well. So this is all Maron Paradise. Now I'm quickly gonna put my wig on, and of course the lenses I had planned for this video. So the teeth are way too white, and that is why I'm going back in with the Brutal Tooth palette with the yellowish color that is in there. Yeah, that looks way better. Time for some blood. I have the Vinyl Blood by Mold Life, and I will put it a bit on the teeth and around the mouth using a stipple sponge. Yes, and with that my creepy clown makeup tutorial for today is done. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel in the link below. Stay tuned on all the videos we upload to this channel. We have a new video every day till Halloween, so definitely stay tuned.